Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Emrizky Maulana. I from 23rd B, Informatic Engineering class. I will present about what is processor and multicore. Okay, first, I will tell you about what is processor. Number two is how processor work. Number three, function of the processor. Number four, introduction of multi-core processor. Number five, necessities of multi-core processor. Number six, advantage and disadvantage multiprocessor system. Number seven, what is gigahertz? Number eight, differences in processor performance. Number nine, how to choose the best processor. Number 10, Intel and AMD, which is better. First, what is processor? A processor is an integrated electronic circuit that performs the calculation that run a computer. A processor performs arithmetic, logical input or output or I/O, and other basic instructions that are passed from an operating system or OS. Most other processes are dependent on the operation of a processor. The term processor, central processing unit, and microprocessor are commonly linked as synonyms. Most people use the word processor interchangeably with the term CPU. Nowadays, it is technically not correct, since the CPU is just one of the processors inside a personal computer or PC. Next, how the processor works. The CPU, a crucial component of a computer system, retrieves and process data and instruction from RAM under guide, guides, guidance of the operating system. The CPU interprets user requests, executes tests, and communicates with RAM for processing. The CPU performance can be monitored through the operating system performance panel, where increased load is evident with more open application or tabs. Key components of a processor include the ALU, arithmetic logic unit, register, and control unit. The ALU and registers perform essential functions outlined in the processor section. The control unit manages the fetching and execution of instructions. In personal computer or small devices, the processor is often referred to a microprocessor, indicating that its elements are integrated into a single IC chip. Some systems utilize multi-core processor, housing more than one CPU on a single chip. CPU are typically small devices with downward fetching pins for connection to a motherboard. Heatsink and fans may be used to dissipate heat when attaching CPU to the motherboard. Function of the processor. The computer processor or CPU function is its a brain, executing calculation and the processing program tasks. Its compute enter information into binary codes 0 and 1 and utilize its arithmetic logical unit or ALO for a mathematical and logical operation to stay functional. A CPU requires additional system within the computer housing. Heat generated using computer operation pose a challenge for CPUs. While most computers use fan or cooling, high-end gaming computers may employ advanced cooling systems to efficiently manage and dissipate excess heat from the CPU. Like this picture, this use water cooling. Introduction of multi-core processor. A processor that is composed of multiple cores on a die CPU package. Multi-core processors are different with multiprocessor. Necessities of multi-core processor, the limitation of single-core processor. Overwhelming power consumption, heat dissipation at detrimental level. These are differences from processor. This picture just have single core processor. This is multi-core processor and this is multi-processor. Advantage and disadvantage of multi-core processor. Multi-core processor system. Advantage: faster execution time, increased throughput. Each core could handle tasks independently. Disadvantage: as multiple processors are communicating with each other, so the operating system implementation is complex to handle. More memory required. Deadlock: if any processor is already using the I/O device, then other processor cannot use the same I/O device, which creates deadlocks. Performance: if any processor fails to work, then work is divided into other processor. The bad effect will be that work will be complete in high time, and processor of the system is affected. And last is expensive. So next, what is gigahertz? Gigahertz measure the clock speed of a CPU, indicating how many cycle it can complete in 1 second. While higher gigahertz generally means faster processing. Overall, performance also depends on factors like architecture, core, and cache size. Modern CPUs use dynamic clock speed to adjust based on workload and thermal condition. Factors affecting gigahertz include architecture, manufacturing, manufacturing process, heat dissipation, voltage, power consumption, and overclocking. Higher gigahertz frequencies can improve gameplay and task processing, but a balanced system considering GPU, memory speed, and core count is crucial. Overclocking can enhance performance but comes with risk and void the warranty. The gigahertz versus versus core count debate depend on the use case. With games benefiting from higher gigahertz, then tasks like video editing favoring a higher core count. Balancing this metric is key for optimal CPU performance. Differences in processor performance. Various kind of cores. First, dual core, 2 processing unit. Quad core is 4 processing unit. Hexa-core is 6 processing unit. Octa-core 8 processing unit. Generally speaking, the more core a CPU has, the more instruction it can execute at the same time. And as a result, the computer will perform faster than computer with the same type of CPU but fewer cores. The currently well-known processors are Intel and AMD, which is better. In price, AMD processors are generally more budget-friendly compared to Intel. AMD provides cheaper alternatives, making them popular among everyday user. Performance: AMD processors excel in multitasking and offer better value for money. Intel CPU are faster in single-core tasks but tend to be more expensive. AMD may be a preferred choice for gamer on a budget, while Intel is favored for audio video production. Power consumption: AMD processor consume more power than Intel counterparts. Market share: Intel historically held a larger market share in 2021 and compare AMD. Intel just 75-40%, AMD 24-60%. Market dynamics shifted with Apple transition to Apple Silicon, but Intel still dominates. Security: Intel has 242 publicly disclosed vulnerabilities, while AMD has only 15. AMD is considered for secure based on the significant gap in vulnerabilities. Product line: both Intel and AMD offer microprocessor and motherboard. AMD product line extend to servers, providing a wider range of product. Customer support: Intel has a stronger online community presence, detailed blog, and 24/7 phone chat support. AMD provides online support, including warranty details and Fact page for customer assistance. Sorry if there are lots of mistakes. Thank you. See you and bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.